What's up? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and I absolutely love this video. And I don't think enough of you have seen it. So I want to do a quick video review of this guy Max's approach to his market. So Max owns a moving company, and for him, winter is a slow period. So what he did was he got a list of 500 businesses in his local market, specifically furniture companies, furniture stores, storage facilities, things like that. And he went out and introduced himself and dropped a business card and spoke to some salespeople and things like that, and basically got in front of his target audience. He realized that moving companies work really well with furniture stores and work really well with storage facilities. So what he did was he had some time on his hands, so he went out and approached all these businesses and generated, as he stated, $30,000 in short order just by approaching these companies. So why do I love this? Because all it took for him was sweat equity. It took his time to go out and do it. He was obviously doing all sorts of other marketing at that point, but he was able to dial, attribute $30,000 in new revenue towards these efforts. And the cool thing is that's just for the time frame associated for this video. That's not all the relationships he's built, and he's going to have all that ongoing revenue for into the future. So if you are sitting around and you're looking to grow your PPC agency or your digital marketing agency and you're not currently doing anything, or maybe you are doing something, but you want to be more proactive with it, the cold approach is a beautiful thing. I've talked numerous times on this channel about cold outreach. With direct mail, we've got our direct mail program and our course for that. With cold calling, we've got a bunch of videos on cold calling on this channel. This is a different kind of approach. If you want to stay local and find businesses locally within your market, this is a great approach. This is something you can do today. Get in your car, fill it up with gas, listen to some Grant Cardone, listen to some motivational podcasts, listen to some sales, books on tape, that kind of thing, and just hit the pavement and start introducing yourself. Talk to business owners that you are a local agency that builds and manages Google ad campaigns for local businesses, and you generate leads using Google ads, and basically just get in front of as many business owners as you possibly can. I would imagine taking this approach, you could get to $10,000 a month recurring revenue in a couple of months. I don't see why you couldn't. So I really like this video, and I think it's really important that if you are new to this business, or if you're not and you're just looking for additional revenue streams, that you take a look at this. And the other thing here is it doesn't actually need to be you doing it. If you have a salesperson, they could be the one doing this. All right, so I just love this video. I love the hustle, and I wanted to share it. What I'm going to do is drop a link to the video in the description so you guys can watch it. And I'll also drop it into the I'll pin a comment with a link to the video there as well. But this is awesome. I love this kind of hustle. I love what this guy did. I first heard about this on a podcast. I can't think of the name of the podcast for the life of me. I think it was like, I'd have to look it up. I don't want to misquote it. But heard his story in the podcast, and I was like, ooh, that's a smart idea. Really like that. Came back, watched this video, absolutely loved it. And I wanted to share it with you guys because I think it's an important message that you don't need anything other than your own effort to grow your business. Okay? You can go out and make it happen. You can pick up the phone and cold call. You can go out and door knock people in a B2B scenario and get new business, just like he did. Okay? Cool thing for you is you have way more business potential than he did, because he's only after storage companies, real estate agents, furniture stores, that kind of stuff. Now you could go to literally anybody. You can go to tree service, a pest removal company, roofing companies, moving companies, limo companies, all sorts of attorneys, all sorts of doctors. It's literally endless. Okay, so that's why I wanted to show you this. I think it's awesome. Just a little easy Saturday viewing on YouTube. I hope you enjoy it. Again, it's Ed here from ClicksGeek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency. We build and manage Google ad campaigns that generate leads for your business. We also white label our work if you're an agency looking for help on that front. And we've got a bunch of courses that we sell teaching this stuff as well. If they're interested, I'll drop a link in the description. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy the video. Max, what you're doing is awesome. Good job. Keep it up. Have a great day. Bye.